Hello everyone, thanks so much for joining. So I've been on my computer pretty much the whole day and I was looking outside and the weather was so nice. I decided to grab my skis and go for a little hike, and my goal today is to get up there. Alright, so short little update. This snow is just looking to get worse and worse. Okay. Woo! Stokes. 18th of February today, and I'm like with a t-shirt up here. It's so warm. Oh.
Just like a feeling inside, it's no joke. And though it hurts me to treat you this way, that was urgent to myself, I do
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I really had fun making this kind of content. I hope you liked it as well. Make sure to subscribe and we're gonna see us for sure soon. Yeah, I mean, I still have to make it down here in some way. It's still gonna be a challenge though.